So my name is Marvin. I'm MJO23Dan. I do reviews on Air Jordans. I do comparisons with Air Jordans from old to new. And this in particular, I was pretty intrigued about it. I know it first showed up as a leaked image in February, and I was very curious about it. And for some odd reason, it didn't release in February. It was supposed to be around All-Star Weekend, I suppose, but Jordan Brand had pushed the date back. So today is Friday, August 17. This sneaker released on August 15, which was a Wednesday. So basically, here it is. This is the Air Jordan 3 Flyknit. So all you box label junkies, this is what it looks like on the box label. It comes in a 3 box with elephant print, just like we've been seeing all throughout the past couple years. So this is the first Air Jordan 3 that's done in total Flyknit, and I must say it does look great. What I was scared about the most was the elephant print, and for everyone that's ever owned an Air Jordan 3, elephant print is the most iconic piece of an Air Jordan 3. Just like patent leather is for the Air Jordan 11, just like leather is on the Air Jordan 12, and straps on an Air Jordan 8. But those are just some of the little nuances that, you begin to take notice, and you kind of wonder, like, okay, they're going to do this in a whole Flyknit, and you wonder if it's going to be just as close to the Air Jordan 3, right? Alright, so here's the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement that released in February of this year. And so, just looking at it all together, like, you can pretty much see there's no like similarity to it. It does have the silhouette of the Air Jordan 3. It looks like an Air Jordan 3. This actually reminds me of like the Flip 3s, and I do have that, so I'm going to go ahead and show you like a side by side here. Alright, so the Flip 3, it released in 2011. You can pretty much see like a similarity there between the two, and it's pretty interesting. So the Flip 3 has a leather upper, and pretty much what it states, it's just a flip of what it is. So what would primarily be a smooth leather up top on the shoe, it's primarily elephant print all over. And then the bottom part where the rand comes, that is smooth leather, or tumbled leather, I'm sorry. So that's what it meant by flip. There was also a white version that came out that was a few years back from this, and I guess Jordan Brand just decided to complete the duo there. Now this one has a high gloss finish on the midsole, so you guys can see all that. So I heard a lot of rumblings about the midsole, how it was a glossy finish. I can see the complaint there because you have the top portion of the shoe in gloss and then the bottom half of the shoe in matte. So it was, I guess, one of those things where Jordan Brand is like, well, we'll try to appease like the people that like that finish and then the others that like the other finish. But it doesn't look too bad. It still looks great. I think it could have been just like a matte finish. It would have been fine. Yeah, the eyelets at the top here where it's usually plastic, that is plastic as well, but it's got that high gloss finish as well. And then it comes in a black Jumpman Air hang tag. It's clear. The lining on the inside is lined with leather, so that's really a nice touch. I went true to size. Normally, I guess people would go like half a size down because the length was too long for them. On my Flyknit ones, I went a true to size, so I didn't really have any complaints with that. I'm a wide footer naturally, so I guess it just worked out. A lot of people did say go down half a size, and it's really your foot preference. But I'll go ahead and try these on as well, just so I can show you guys like how the fit is and give you like more thoughts about it. Oh, and before I forget, we do have a glow in the dark outsole. Check it out. Boom. Alright, so here we go. Let's try on the right shoe. I did go true to size 10, and they fit great. So I have a little play up front, but I think that's alright. I think if I went down a half a size, it would actually restrict even more. I'm not even lacing them up all the way, and I think they feel okay. So nice all black sneaker. Again, the glow on the sole looks great. You really can't tell on foot that they look like a 3, but they're really like stealth looking, so I like that. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Oh, it's MJO23 Dan. I also did a recent WearTesters trash talk with Nightwing2303. I'll link that down below in the description so you guys can check it out and check out our latest collab. You guys can also click the link up here. And then, yeah, if anything else, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video and want to see more reviews. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and I'll try to get back to writing on my website at mjo23dan.com. Also, at the end of the month, I'm probably going to have a little surprise for all you guys. I'm starting out something brand new, so hopefully you guys tune in, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.